2019 Chevy Express van. We are doing alarm and remote starter and a radio. We have to. This is 2019 Chevy Express van. We are doing alarm and remote starter and radio. In order to take the radio out, GM had a great idea that you cannot pop out this bezel around the radio. So let's say make it a little difficult for your installer. So what you're gonna have to do is, on the bottom side of this panel, there are two bolts holding on to this entire steering wheel column. You're gonna have to remove the nut, lower this entire steering wheel downward, and remove this bezel out. Then you can access the radio. Great idea. GM, you're doing a good job. Underneath, there are 10 mil nuts, bolts, and we're going to take this out. So once you have that out, now you can access this bottom part of it. So this is what we removed. One here, one on the other side. Now we are taking that out. There's also 10. So there are two on each side. There's one on each side, one here, another one here. We're gonna loosen that up. We're gonna take both sides out, and that's gonna drop the entire steering wheel column. Okay, so as you can see, now you can lower this. There are two on the passenger side. I'm going to remove that side also. Remove this panel. Right, once you remove the passenger side panel by removing two 10 mils and lower the steering wheel column, the reason that you are doing it is right at the center of that instrument cluster bezel. That plastic panel is kind of thin, and if you try to force it out, some people do, sometimes you may break it. Now once you have the whole thing removed, this panel, it just pulls out. It's kind of snug. You just pull it. I'm going to have somebody else helping me, because I don't want to break it, because this part is kind of snug. Let's see. Okay. Then you lower this, lower the shift knob, then this entire panel will come out. Okay, so you're going to lower this gear shift, and you're going to pull this out. Careful, careful, we gotta remove this so we can access. Pull this red pin out of the ways. You gotta pull that red pin out. Okay. This and disconnect all those wires. So If you don't have a computer to reset your airbag indication, be sure to disconnect the battery, because a lot of times when you disconnect the airbag light indication stays on. There's a little locking pin right there. You push in and it comes out like that. Same thing on that black one as well. Like that. And detach all the connections. Careful, you don't want to break it. Ricardo, don't break the middle, please. Carefully pull it out. No, don't force it. I don't want you to break it. Carefully pull out. Alright, let's put it away. Now, we can access these 7 mils. Remove 4 7 mils. Radio will come out.
You pay cash.
What are you taking it out for?
No need?
No,
But
it's gonna take the radio
this
out.
is not behind it. Yes.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I'm supposed to heater control out too.
It's snapping here. You see?
Okay. Gotcha. So he's gotta disconnect all this. The antenna.
Puta, ¿y ahora qué hizo esta verga, güey? Mío. ¿Cómo está el clima hoy?